Hi, welcome to Danube Bro YouTube channel. Today we are going to configure SSD hard drive for old General Dell laptop. Actually, we can configure SSD hard drive any old laptop. You can see step by step how to configure SSD. First, we need to boot second HDD carry and SSD hard drive. I recommended at least 240 GB space in SSD hard drive, because our laptop's operating system will be run on this hard drive. Next, we need to fix SSD drive into the second HDD caddy. Installing methods. First, unpack the hard drive. Lift the hard drive caddy retaining latch. The screws to the hard drive. After, insert the hard drive into the hard caddy and slide the hard drive into the connector until it locks into place. This video shows fixed SSD with caddy. This is my old hard drive. It is very slow. I removed the hard drive in my laptop. This is old my laptop. I removed DVD-ROM. We can see ROM space. Finally, second HDD caddy insert into my laptop's ROM area. Then, I boot my laptop. Previously I installed Windows 10 Pro. You can see very fast boot, no time waste and very smooth. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe me and like, share videos.